Now proceeding on further of canning of part 18. First earlier we studied in part 17 that how 3-piece can are made. Means after the lacquer are applied on the sheet of tin can, the lacquer sheets are dried in an oven. Then large sheets are slit into small sheets, one each can body, which is known as body blank. Each small sheet is rolled in a cylinder. The cylinder edges are welded by squeezing them together whilst passing an electric current through them. This heats up the metal sufficiently for a sound joint to be made. Inside, the surface of the weld is spread with lacquer and then cured by blowing heated air on the outside of the can. The cans are passed through flanger, where the top and the bottom of the can are flanged outwards to accept the ends. Then the plain ends are seamed to the can bodies to close one end of every can. To increase the strength and rigidity, can bodies are beaded sometimes, mainly for long can. Every cans are tested at each stage of manufacture. At the final stage, they are passed through a pressure tester which automatically rejects can with pinhole or fractures. The finished can body are then transferred to the warehouse to be automatically palletized before dispatched to the filling plant. Now this was how the 3-piece can was made. To know about the 3-piece can maintenance, first we saw that from the steel strips can was made. Steel strips was cut into large sheet, then lacquer was applied, then lacquered sheet are dried in oven, then large sheet are cut into small piece, and this small sheet are rolled into cylinder. Then cylinder edges are welded, squeezing them together on applying electric current. Then inside, the surface of weld is sprayed with lacquer, cured by blowing heated air on the outside of the can. Then cans are passed through flanger, where top and bottom of the can are flanged outwards to accept the ends. Then plain end are seamed to the can body to close one end of every can. This was the manufacture of 3-piece can. But 2-piece can was introduced because revolution in graphic and structural design was necessary. Competition with other packaging material are also necessary because we have to attract the customer. Quality and long shelf life are not enough to attract the consumer attention. Due to increasing pressure of aesthetic and innovation, fundamental aspect of design of can is necessary. 2-piece can are developed in replace of 3-piece can that cause lead pollution. 2-piece can is a packaging container with bottom end and the body shaped one sheet of metal by deep drawing with second end seamed to the can to close it and form complete package for sale. This was how 2-piece can made, and the advantages are in next. So 2-piece can is a packaging container with bottom end and body shaped one sheet of metal by deep drawing with second end seamed to the can to close it to form complete package for sale.